This we're going to, hopefully, we're going to finish in the other room and start removing the sheetrock from this back wall so we can expose the framing so our engineer can take a look and design a seismic shear wall to go back there and in the shop, because this has been deemed to be the weakest part of the building and we want to take care of it right away before we do anything else. And then this area that I'm standing in will be the archive room for archives that are older than 1920, which we don't want to put down in the basement. So this will be mostly Society of Wireless Pioneers stuff, and anything from the Maxwell Library that's pre-1920 will go in this room.
So, you're doing more?
I know.
Yeah, I was going to work on the drilling through. I brought my big drill and stuff like that, so I'm going to drill up top where we were talking about and down low. Or whatever, so keep out of too much light.
Don't bark at people.
I'm not kneeling, I come here with my door open.
Okay. Got it. We're putting some power and switch legs in right now for three-way lighting, two-way lighting. And we'll have receptacles actually for the other side. And yeah, that's what we're doing, bringing the power across. Keeping busy.
Well, what we are doing now, Mike, is rebuilding the library. We put the library in here. We took a wall down and we fill in all the doors and make 2 door openings for the library. And this brick wall stay brick and it will be painted. And the floor is an epoxy floor, but is going in this Thursday. So it has, next week will be done a nice project for not working in here, because it has to cure. And that will be done, it will be nice. And then it's a matter of the lighting, because still they are debating about fluorescent lights or LEDs. Steve wants LED lighting in here.
So this is a sub panel which replaces the old undersized sub panel on the other side of the wall. Comes from the main panel, and what we did was we diverted all the circuits from the old panel into this new panel here through these 2 pipes. We brought the main feed from the main panel overhead into this, and then we redistribute the power outwards to any part of the lower part of this building, and also for the upper part too. Will come out of here. We have more than enough capabilities. These will be our lighting circuits. Obviously you see we have empty spaces for future work, and we haven't anywhere near got to our capabilities yet. So we're looking really good. We're possibly putting in another sub panel at the other end of the building too, to take up more of the shop area and stuff. It's more making everything code compliant and also well grounded too, which the system did not have before. So it's safety concerns and just more efficient distribution of electrical power and stuff like that. So I'm trying to work on that sort of thing.
You're signing up, eh?
He's renewing. You may want to give us just a little bit of name and address there. Just so we can. Ken? You recognize this? We got this from you.
I made this.
We got this from you. You did a good job.
Yeah, I remember making this.
You did a nice job. So it will live on, and soon it'll get full of records again.
This was in the control room.
Ken? Do you remember this door?
I'm glad you did that.
Come take a look at this door. Remember this?
Oh, yeah.
With the lightning bolts on it, the old KRE, can you see it from this side? The old KRE door.
Yeah, I remember that.
We took it with us. We're doing work here now. We're redoing the walls, but this is our radio repair shop. We have the benches here. This is where we repair the radios for the museum, and we repair radios for people that bring them in. But we also teach our classes here, and we teach the guys how to fix radios. So you can bring in your radio and stand next to an expert and fix them together. So, and that's what's going on back here. So we're redoing the walls, or we're putting earthquake proofing back here. We're going to put plywood back here. This addition was built in 1926. The original part was 1900, and this is 1926. The building was built in 1900. So, what do you think?
I'm bewildered. It's amazing.
Well, of course, once it's finished and once it becomes a museum and the Hall of Fame and stuff, things will be in a much better order. And we're going to clean up all the bricks. We're going to take the wood down and clean the bricks. And this is my friend. Come here, you little friend. This is Mookie.
Oh.
This is Zoe's buddy. This is her little dog friend, and she's spending a few days with us.
Yes.
So yeah, it's going to be very, very, very nice. This is a very nice large room. We'll have lots of displays in here and stuff. And back towards this area, we're going to build our little control rooms here, so people can see what radio used to be. Even though it's a telephone building, we'll create our own little radio station in here. So.